Hi, I'm Lisa Hurler, owner of Lisa Organizes. For all those who are part of Strategy Sphere, you know how wonderful Kuhn is to train with. She has great energy and knowledge to breathe into all of us. She is a business strategist, not just a coach, as she gives us our business direction, and she knows what business needs to achieve its goals. A coach just focuses on your personal and your professional development of you and not your business. She creates challenging plans of action, and when you follow her advice, huge changes will happen in your business. I met Jean a little over 10 years ago through a network group, and I hired her recently as I changed careers and I needed help in a huge way. I always worked for a company. I never owned a company, so I wanted to hire someone who knew how to start a business, who ran a business, who markets a business, and who knows how to make money fast doing a business. Jean helped me get my business up and running and continues to add value to my life by the people she incorporates into her groups and knowledge she shares with us. Thank you so much, Jean, for all you do.